Wiring of KNX Devices course, as one of our new series for free KNX videos. In this video, we will explain how to wire KNX push button and KNX touch screen. KNX push button. KNX push button is smart KNX sensor device. It is used to send telegrams and orders to the KNX actuators to execute a specific function. Most of KNX push button devices are fed from KNX power supply using KNX cable, and send its data also by the same cable. KNX push button has one KNX connector. KNX push button are available in 1 gang, 2 gang, 4 gang, and every gang has 2 rockers, right rocker or button and left rocker or button. KNX push button has a small LED light for every rocker or button for feedback function. Also, some KNX push buttons have a small screen. KNX touch screen. KNX touch screen is a smart KNX sensor device. It is used to send telegrams and orders to the KNX actuators to execute a specific function like push buttons. But they have more graphical functions. Also, touch screen have more other functions like controlling HVAC systems, display readings from other sensors, and they contain also feedback functions. Most of KNX touch screen need to be fed with power supply using auxiliary supply voltage. But they transmit theory data using KNX cable bus. So most of touch screens have 2 connectors, one for connecting the KNX bus cable and the other for feeding the screen with power supply. In this video, we will use KNX push button 8 gang, and we will use KNX touch screen 5-inch. We will use MCB to protect all electric circuits and smart devices. So the rated current of this used MCB should not exceed the rated current for KNX power supply and actuator output channels. Also, the connected loads should be in range of this MCB. Now enjoy watching. See you in the next free videos. Porto KNX. We make learning KNX free, simple, easy and attractive.